Hello all. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create and execute a test suite collection, and we are also going to check the default report generated by Catalan Studio. To learn about test suite collections, I have taken three test cases. One is confirm appointment for Cura Health website. It contains login and some more steps to confirm the appointment. Another one is login script for Cura Health website. The third one is of Orange HRM website having the login steps. In test confirm appointment, I have given the incorrect object so that this test case will fail. I have taken three test suites. Test suite 1 contains all three test cases, but I have skipped one test case. Test suite 2 contains all three test cases ticked for run, and test suite 3 contains two test cases for run. Now, what is test suite collection? Test suite collection is a collection of test suites. When we add the different test suites in the test suite collection, it executes these test suites either sequentially or parallel. We will consider this example for test suite collection, wherein we have taken the 8 test cases. Test case 1 is login. Test case 2 and 3 are two transactions which are common in all transactions. Test case 4 and 5 are one set of transaction, and test case 6 7 is another set of transaction. Test case 8 is logout. We can create different test suites out of these test cases. I have created these four test suites. Test suite 1 contains login, test case 1, test case 2 and test case 3. Test suite 2 contains test case 4 and 5, and 4 contains test case 8. Now I have created two test suite collections of it. One is test suite collection 1 having test suite 1, which will have the test case 1, 2, 3. Test suite 2 having the test case 4, 5 of set of one transaction, and test suite 4 that is logout transaction. Test suite collection 2 contains 1 and 4 as common, and test suite 3 having the set of transaction 2. You can also create one common test suite collection instead of these two collections by using the same test suite again. For example, here test suite collection contains test suite 1, test suite 2, test suite 4. Again, we have taken test suite 1, test suite 3 and test suite 4. So this will be the combination of both these, and it will execute these test cases or test suites sequentially and will complete the transactions. This is the use of test suite collection, which you can use for execution of multiple test cases and multiple test suites having those test cases and complete your transactions. You can use this same test suite multiple times in a test suite collection. To create a new test suite collection, click Test Suite, New Test Suite Collection. Give the name to your test suite collection. I will name this collection as Test Suite Collection 1. This is Test Suite Collection Editor. I will add the test suites by clicking Add button. Here we find our all three test suites. I will select all the test suites for this collection. Click OK. Now all these test suites are added in this collection. In Run with column, you can select your browser. You can select different browser for different test suite and execute those test suite on that browser. So I will select Firefox browser for test suite 2 and Chrome headless browser for test suite 3. I will keep test suite 1 with Chrome browser. Run configurations are generally used in mobile app testing, and here we select the Android or iOS for testing. In the profiles column, you can select the required or desired profile for that test suite to be executed. So I will select different three profiles for three test suites. About profiles we have learned in my another tutorial in detail. So you can refer that tutorial by clicking the link given in the description below this tutorial. This run checkbox works exactly the same as test suite run checkbox. So if you uncheck this checkbox, this test suite will not execute. The buttons here are same as test suite buttons. Above here is the execution mode. Two execution modes are available, sequential and parallel. If you select sequential, then these test suite will be executed sequentially one by one as per the series. And if you select parallel, then these three test suites will be executed parallelly at a time in three different browsers. Catalan Studio has provided one more facility to us to select the max concurrent instances while parallel execution. Here you can change the count by clicking upward and downward buttons. You can make use of this max concurrent instances to test smaller performance issues in your project. Even if Catalan is not a performance testing tool, it has provided us this small facility to check the performance of the application. For the current execution, I will select sequential and click on the execute button to execute the test suites in the test suite collection. It has started the execution of the test suite collection. Now it will execute the complete test suite collection one by one, starting from test suite 1, and it will execute all the test cases in that test suite which are marked as OK to run. The execution is completed. Now we can check the results of the execution. Click on the results tab here and you can see the execution results that failed tests are 0 out of 2 in test suite 1. In test suite 2, failed tests are 1 out of 3. In test suite 3, failed tests are 0 out of 2. And it has executed on the given environment or browsers and given profile. Now you can click on show details button. When we click in the test suite collection report show details link, then we go to the test suite report, which we have seen in detail in our another tutorial how to create and run the test suite. In test suite tutorial, we have checked the past test cases, but here we have the failed test case as well in the collection. So we will see the test suite result for failed test case. You can find the failed test case over here. So you can uncheck these check boxes and filter your failed test case here. You will find the video of your failed test case clicking video button. This was about how to create the test suite collection and run it. We have also seen the default reports generated after the execution of the test suite collection. Catalan also generates reports in different formats, which we will learn in detail in my another tutorial about reports. If you are new to this channel and would like to learn Catalan Studio from beginning to advanced, then please click subscribe and bell icon below this video. Thank you.